Okay, I'm going to fire up the acetylene tank. You do not want to turn this all the way on. This is just a quarter turn. That's all you want. It's a quarter turn. I'm going to blend your pipe out, and you use a spark igniter to get it going. Alright, when you go ahead and silver solder, you have to heat it up very right before you put the solder in. Otherwise, let the flame away from the oil. Okay, don't worry about what your solder joints look like. Make sure you get enough on there to seal the joint up. And then after you're done, you're able to fold these down. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Okay, they should be cool enough. I think we got two good joints. Next thing I'm going to do is we're going to put our gasket back in there, so we don't want to forget that. I know I told you we do this off of here, but I just want to run a couple turns. Put your gasket in there. Make sure it's in. And we'll give us a good tightening. Never had these links, so tighten it up real good. We're going to put our gasket back in its spot. Keeps it from wearing it out. Your insulation goes back on, and there you have it. Your interior lines are silver solder.